Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. All of you take the English textbook for the class. Let us go to the poem. Now take the page number 51. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with a movement like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is a fiend in felon shape, a monster of depravity. Fiend means devil. Felon means relating to a cat. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. But when the crime is discovered, the Macavity is not there. T.S. Eliot. The summary of that paragraph. His coat is soiled and his hair are disorder. He moves like a snake. When you think he is sleeping, he is in fact wide awake. Macavity is a devil in a cat shape. He is moral corrupt. You can meet him in a lane and open ground, but you will not find him where the crime has been committed. Here, Macavity is a male cat. He was a clever criminal. He had no fear of law or police. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there. He was tall and thin. He was careless about his clothes and whiskers. He moved like a snake and pretended to be asleep. He was in fact a devil in the shape of cat. He was wicked and moral corrupted. This is the poem. You have to write the question answers of this poem. I will give you the question answers. Before that, you have to ready for the class test. That is, we will conduct the class test in the online. You have to study one or two, three. I think we will finish the up to two poem and two lessons. You have to study that lessons and ready for the class test in the next class. Thank you, children. Students, I hope you that all of you take your English textbook for the class. Today we are going to study the Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. All of you take the page number 50. Let us go to the poem. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Macavity's mystery cat, he is called Hidden Paw, for his master criminal who can defy the laws. Defy means destroy or resist openly. His bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Scotland Yard means the headquarters of the London police force. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means floating in the air without support. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity's ginger cat, he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Summary of this paragraph. These stanzas. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is the master criminal. He can defy and break any laws. Even the police force and flying squad of Scotland have failed to arrest him. He gives a slip to them When the police reach the scene of crime, it is too late. The criminal, by that time, is gone. McCavity is a matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. He can disappear. He can break Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without support. Even the fakir and the magicians are surprised to see him feats. He will outwit you. You may look for him basement, and in the air you will have no access to him. McCavity is tall and thin cat. His eyes are sunken and his head is lined. His head is round like a dome.